Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now. Put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room, perfume.
Life without you been feeling kinda strange. Well, I see that you're doing very well. Ha, you looking very well. I miss the way your perfume smell. I miss the way that you blowed up my line just to make sure that I'm feeling well. I miss the.
Would y'all believe me if I said I don't got no leave out? Like, none whatsoever? Would you believe me? Because I don't even believe myself. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Jabre, and today I'm going to be trying out this new Bye Bye Leave Out wig from HerGivenHair. I am really impressed by this unit. As y'all can see, it looks like my hair is literally looking like it came out of my scalp. And I'm going to show you guys how I was able to get this look in less than, really less than 2 minutes. And I can see me wearing this every day to the gym because it's just so quick and easy, and it does not require any of your hair to be out whatsoever. But I'm gonna stop rambling about this product and we're gonna get right into this video. But before we hop into it, y'all know y'all gotta give me a big old thumbs up, and also comment down below and let me know what y'all want to see next. And also subscribe to my channel because my cash baby's lit. I'm lit, and if you subscribe, then you lit too, and that's on what? That's on period. So yeah, y'all, let's just go ahead and hop right into this video. Hey y'all, I know I look crazy right now, but today we're gonna be trying out this new product from HerGivenHair. This is their new Bye Bye Leave Out thin part wig. So basically, all in all, I think this is supposed to be a wig that you do not need any leave out in, and it already looks super natural. As y'all can see, I do have my hair out just a little bit in the front. So all in all, this wig is supposed to look like you have leave out, in which you have none. So let's just go ahead and take her out of the box and see what it's giving. All right, so you guys, I have the wig here. So let's look at this. So this is how the wig looks when it comes out of the package. Of course, this angle of it just looks like a regular wig. However, as you can see on the inside, we have clips where you can clip this closed, or you can have leave out and leave this open. I believe that this little piece that's sewn right here, I'm supposed to cut, so I'm going to go ahead and do that now. So this can double as a V part, or like I said, you can close this up. That would just make it look like you already have leave out, and it's basically like a full wig, if that makes sense. First thing I'm going to do is just open up all of the clips, and then I'm going to zoom you guys in so that you guys can see how it will look up front and close. I'm going to bring it all the way up, and then I'm just going to clip this right on my part. So I have this side on, and as y'all can see, this side is unclipped. And I can start to see where this is gonna look really natural. Okay, I'm gonna do the other side now. Okay, so this is how it looks once it is on. This is absolutely none of my hair out in the front whatsoever. So this is just 100% the wig. Now what I will do to make this a little bit more seamless, because I would say in person, somebody may be able to see the line of demarcation right here, but it is still pretty seamless. Like if I'm back here, I don't feel like anybody would know that this is not my hair. However, if you're a perfectionist, I would just say take just like a little bit of the hair right in the front, and then tease some of it down like that. And so now you can't even see the line of demarcation, and it looks very realistic. Okay, so this side, do you guys see how it looks super natural? Whereas this side, it does look natural as well, but this just looks a lot more realistic. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. All right, so as y'all can see, this is giving my hair. Do y'all see? No leave out whatsoever. I have no leave out, and it just looks like this is coming out of my hair. So I'm going to do just a little bit of edges in the front, and then I think I may just leave this unit exactly how it is because I already like the shape of it, but I do want to do just like a little bit of an edge right up in the front. Nothing too crazy because I want to keep the naturalness of this install. I'm just going to use a little bit of foam and just kind of slick my hair just my edges just a little bit. Yeah, that's just enough for me. So as y'all can see, this is kind of scary. I'm not gonna lie, I was a little bit skeptical about trying this wig, but I understand it now. Like, I feel like I get it. The whole point is that it looks like you have leave out and you have none at all. And I feel like this texture is the perfect texture to do this with, because it's already super curly and it's really natural and realistic for what I feel like my hair would look like if it was out, so nobody would think anything of it. Do you get what I'm saying? This is the perfect wig to just throw on, very low maintenance. It's a protective style. All of your hair is covered up. I'm just showing you guys there is absolutely none of my hair left out. I can see me wearing this to like the gym or something where I have to be super active and I don't want my leave out to change or alter in any kind of way. This could also be an everyday wig. It's just really super easy to put on and take off, and it's still comfortable. It's very, very comfortable, and you don't have to worry about any of your hair whatsoever. So that is a plus. I'm a fan of this product. This is a new product that I'm like, this actually solves a problem, and I could see how this could be revolutionary for someone. Even with the eye that I have for hair, I still think this looks super duper realistic. Like, this is hyper realistic. So I am super pleased by this product. I'm so glad that I was able to try this out, and I'm one of the first to try it out. I will also have all of the links and everything on this product listed down below if y'all want to purchase. HerGivenHair, y'all have ate with this one. I really like this a lot. But yeah, this does conclude this video, so I hope y'all enjoyed it, and if you did, please do not forget to give me a big old thumbs up, and also comment down below and let me know what y'all want to see next, and also subscribe to my channel because my Cash Baby's lit. I'm lit, and if you subscribe, then you can lit too, and that's on what? That's on period. So yeah, y'all, get into the new hair, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.